Hello, welcome back to Inkscape tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain about selecting multiple objects and grouping in Inkscape. So there are several ways to select multiple objects in Inkscape. The first way is we can first go to the selection tool over here, and then we can drag a box around the objects that we want to select. So for example, I want to select the rectangle and the star, so I create a box like this. And you can see two of the objects will be selected, and we can move it together, or resize it together, or rotate it together. Another way that you can use to select multiple objects is you can first click on one object and then press shift on your keyboard and click on another object. So you should press shift while selecting another object, like this. But the next time when you click on another place and you want to select these three again, you should create a box again or use the shift and click. If you want to make it easier, you can just use the grouping method. So I select three of this, right click and group. Now you can see these three objects will be put inside one box. So the next time when you click on either of the object, all of the objects will be selected. I mean, three of these objects that we have grouped together. So for example, I select the circle, three of them will be selected, and we can move it together, so we don't need to create a box again or use the shift click again. That's all for this tutorial. See you on the next tutorial.